In today's video, we're going to work on getting you signed into your Maskinomet Google Apps account. Now, the easiest way to do this is to initially open up an internet browser, so something like Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. In this case, we're using Chrome. And then in the web browser address bar, you want to type in google.com. So, as we see, we probably can all get to this page here. We've seen the big Google search page before. In the upper right-hand corner of this page is the Sign In button. So we go ahead and we click on Sign In, and that brings us to the Sign In page where we need to type in our email and our password. Now for teachers, this is your username. So in this case, it would be jsmith@maskinomet.org. But for students, this is actually a little bit different. They use their same username, so we'll do atstudent@mrsdmail.org. So teachers are using maskinomet.org and students are using @mrsdmail.org. At which point you need to type in the temporary password that's been provided for you by MIS. If you don't have that, please contact them and they can help you out. So once you've typed that in, you can click on this box that says Stay Signed In if you'd like to keep signed into this account on this computer, or you can uncheck it if you prefer not to, and then click Sign In. At this point, it'll either bring you to a page that asks you to accept your account, which you click Accept, and then it brings you to this password reset page, where it may ask you to enter in the current password, and then enter in a new password. I recommend you use the exact same password that you use on the network so that you don't forget what that password is. So once that's done, type it in twice and hit Submit. So at this point, you know that you're signed into your account because you have your name up here in the upper right hand corner, and you also have across the top here Mail and Drive and Calendar, and we'll get onto those components of Google Apps a little bit later on, but this is a good start for now. Now, if at some point in the future you want to reset your password again, you can do that by going up here to your name, and there's a little drop down arrow next to it. You click on that, and what you want to do is click on Account, and this brings up some information here, and if we then click on Security, we can go ahead and choose Change Our Password. So this brings us to the current password page, and then New Password, and then Confirm Your Password. Now, unfortunately, you can't reset this on your own unless you're already logged into the account. So let's say that you did change your password or did something else in Google Drive, but you wanted to go back to that initial Google search page. The easiest way to do that is to click on the search button up here in the black menu bar. By clicking on that, we come right back to the search page, and we can start searching from there, or we can move to the other components of our Google Drive. So hopefully you've been able to log into your Google account at this point. If you're still having difficulty, please contact the Library Media Specialist, or MIS, and they can help you out.